Hi Kitchen Newbies, this is for you. I'm batch cooking some oatmeal and I use the large flake oatmeal like traditional Quaker oats. Mine's an organic kind that I buy here in Germany. So when I batch cook them, I can keep these in the refrigerator and just take out what I need every morning for my breakfast. I'll have a half a cup of oatmeal in the morning and my husband will have a whole cup of oatmeal in the morning. And sometimes I make this in 2-cup portions, or I'll make this in just the 1 cup like I'm doing today. It'll stay in your refrigerator probably 3 to 4 days. Hopefully you're going to eat them up and not make too much for yourself. So I've got 1 cup of oatmeal in my pan. It's always 2 to 1, so 1 cup of oatmeal, 2 cups of water. This is just tap water. And I have some Himalayan pink salt here. It's my preference. I'm going to use like a big pinch there. So I'm going to turn my stove on high and I'm going to stay with it in my kitchen. I'm going to let it come to a boil. I've got my lid on, and when this comes to a boil I can turn it off and it'll finish cooking with the residual heat. Some of the kitchen tools that I use that you've commented on before, I really like these OXO Good Grips measuring cups because I can see on the outside and on the inside. It's perfect. And these come in all different sizes. You can get them in 4-cup, 2-cup, 1 cup, even the 1/4 cup size. And they're available on Amazon, or a lot of kitchen stores carry them as well. Some of you like my spatula. I'll put the link below for this. I think it's called a 4-in-1 or a 5-in-1. It's got these teeth on here so I can break things up in my pan. Has the small strainer. It's got the spatula for scraping off the bottom, and it's a good stir spoon. And here it's got a silicone edge, and this is like 1 tablespoon measurement here. This is really multi-purpose and I like it a lot. For my salt, I always use the pink Himalayan salt. With the state of the oceans these days, I don't really know how safe a sea salt would be. So pink salt is mined from mountains, and they're thousands of years old. So I trust this more. It's just my personal preference. You may like Maldon salt or other kinds of salts. So those are some of the things that I wanted to show you here. Like I said, when this cools down, I can package this up and put it into my refrigerator and just take it out in the portions that I need. I'm on the purple plan, so oatmeal is 0 points for half a cup. It's 0 points for 5 cups. So it all depends on what plan you're on and where your points are coming. This is just starting to come to a boil now. I'm going to give this a stir. Put my lid on. And I shut that off. And with the residual heat, it's going to cook that up and it's going to be perfect. So I hope that you can get a benefit from this video. I'll be making some savory oats for my breakfast, and I'll post some videos on how I do those too. I've been off plan lately, and I want to go back to the things that have worked for me when I had continued weight loss. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'm Jill. This is just a quick update on how the oatmeal turns out after it's been sitting on the stove for a bit. So as you can see, it absorbed all of the liquid, and now I'm just going to put it into my container and store it in the refrigerator. Thanks. Bye for now.